I have had a problem starting this scooter. It starts, but it's got to kick back against the starter several times before it takes off. I looked up on the internet and they said that it's probably a timing issue. Get a performance CDI box. I did that. The yellow box that you will see in the video is a performance. I think it's supposed to advance the timing quite a little bit, but there's a problem with it. After the scooter warms up just a little bit, about 25 miles an hour and throttle on, it just quits. Falls flat on its face. Let off the gas, takes off again as the RPMs slow down. The video shows this, and you'll notice that when I put the black box back on, you can hear it kicking back against the starter. So for all of those guys that have a problem with a kickback on the starter, you may need a new box. And this video was made to show the people I got the yellow box from so that I can get a replacement. Enjoy the video. Bye. Ask for a video, so I'm going to provide one the best I can. With the yellow CDI box, the machine starts better. You're going to see that. However, on the road at about 25 miles an hour, it just shuts off. So you'll see that too. I'll change the CDI box. There might be a small delay in the second video. I'll work on that. I'll piece it together so it's seamless. Hang on just a minute while I start the scooter. Okay, after it warmed up a little bit, you can see that it is cutting out. It's cutting out terrible. I'm going to quickly put in, as quick as I can, put in the other CDI box and you'll see. Again, there's the CDI box that I bought. It's supposed to be performance rated. It did work until the thing got warmed up a little bit. Here is the box that it came in. Old CDI box installed. It no longer cuts out. You want to see the black box again? There it is. I can zoom in for you. Right there. Like an original CDI DC box. They're all 6 pins. They're supposed to be all CDI DC boxes, but yours does not work. The yellow one does not work.